Hey Quiz Universe fam! Ready to dive into some fun? Today, we're spicing it up with a Pick Your Gift challenge. Will you go for the golden unicorn or take on the black box of mystery? We've got 15 awesome choices lined up, and you've only got 8 seconds to lock in your pick, so don't overthink it. Before we kick things off, remember to hit that subscribe button and buckle up for the ride. All right, first up, pick your dream bedroom style, cozy or luxe. Go. Unicorn gift boxes are on deck. Does one have your name on it? Left, middle, or right? Decisions. Unwrap that surprise. What did you get? Hope your picks are all keepers. Eyeing a winner yet? Which AirPods would you choose? Sleek and classic, or colorful vibes? Clock's ticking. Got your choice? Go with your gut. Which one feels right? We're halfway there. Bring on gift number 10. Pick your style. Which glasses fit your vibe? Quick choice. What are you going with? Golden unicorn or black mystery box? What's it gonna be? No time to hesitate. Make your pick. Can you lock in a color without thinking twice? Go. Thanks for hanging with us today. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more fun challenges. Think you're ready for the next one? Pick your fate, and let's keep the fun rolling. See you in the next vid.